Hi, I'm Cassidy, and today I'll be guiding you through a positive affirmations meditation. If you've been feeling negative energy creeping in, or are just maybe feeling a bit down today, this meditation is perfect to invite joy and pleasure into your life and will hopefully leave you feeling uplifted. Get started by just finding a comfortable position for your body and your practice today. You can be seated, laying down, or even standing up. Wherever you're at, just allow the body to arrive fully in this space. Lengthen the spine, relax the shoulders, and perhaps close the eyes if it feels comfortable, or maybe you just find a soft gaze. Take a full inhale, fill the belly up. Exhale, sigh it out. Settle in. Start to let go of any distractions or negativity that may have been floating around in the mind. And allow yourself to just be here fully in this moment. Take a few moments to focus your attention on the breath. Starting to slow down the breath a bit, allowing the inhales and the exhales to even out, finding a nice rhythm with the breath. Feel every inhale fill the belly completely and empty completely with every exhale. As distractions arise, gently let them go and guide the mind back to this present moment. I was born to enjoy life. Repeat that affirmation to yourself with the next few breaths. You can silently repeat it in the mind, or even speak it out loud if you're in a space to do so. I was born to enjoy life. Settle your attention on those words, on your breath, and being in this space right here and right now. And we'll be moving through a few more affirmations that you can repeat to yourself and carry with you into your day. I find joy and pleasure in the small things in life. And with each breath, visualizing yourself showing up fully, enjoying life. Maybe bringing to mind these small things that bring you joy. Seeing them, hearing them, feeling them. I find joy and pleasure in the small things in life. Stick with that for the next few breaths. I invite unconditional self-love into my life and accept myself exactly the way I am. Inviting that acceptance and self-love to fill you up, allowing your light to shine from the inside out. Maybe you feel that energy of self-love glowing, a warm light within you. I invite unconditional self-love into my life and accept myself exactly the way I am. I am connected to, loved, and supported by those around me. And with every breath, feeling supported and connected, like a warm hug or a cozy blanket wrapping around you. I am connected to, loved, and supported by those around me. I am content with the phase of life I'm in right now. Letting go of the past and the future, and focusing in on the right here and the right now. Feeling content in this space and ready for whatever may come your way. I am content with the phase of life I'm in right now. If the mind has wandered, come back to the breath. With every inhale, fill up with self-love, joy, and pleasure. With every exhale, let go of limiting beliefs and negativity holding you back. If any of these affirmations particularly resonated with you today, maybe you write them down on a sticky note after this practice and continue to come back to them when you need to invite this energy back in. As you're ready, start to gently bring yourself back into the body, back to the physical space. Maybe you gently wiggle the fingers, take a stretch. If the eyes are closed, you can start to blink them open. Take a full inhale. Exhale, sigh it out, let go. Thank you so much for joining me for this positive affirmations practice today, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, I invite you to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more guided meditations and wellness content. Thanks again, and have a great day.